Lama Kajiado kwa mondone girito lere kunde magitime ohala kaka yorita luora chirni magwengego. Riwruoge mopogore opogore komakore kod Jokanyo weche somo tayo chenro maketo ler kagiseo johala makono kuom keto yugi kuonde ma ok owinjore mamedo chido aluora. Ginyiso luoro ni poni johala oketo kenge mag jiwo ler to tuoche nyalo biro muoch kendo kelo midhiero ne oganda e gwengego.
We collaborated with several groups to educate the people of Kajiado on keeping their environment clean. It's a bigger responsibility that needs everybody to come on board to ensure that our environment is very clean.
And we want to tell our community it is important to live in a clean environment. We want to tell our community it is important for everyone to clean their space, whether it's front of your business, whether it's your hotel or your home, our schools. If we continue like this as a county, or even as Kenyans, very soon this country will be very clean, but it must start with us, it must start with you at your home.
We have done this specifically to sensitize the people in Kajiado County on the need of cleaning their streets, having trash bins and points to litter properly.
Ningependa kutoa changamoto kwa wanabiashara wetu wa hii town ya Kajiado kwamba tusikubali kufanya kazi kwa mazingira ambayo ni machafu. Lazima tufanye kazi pamoja kwa sababu mambo ya usafi sio ya mtu mmoja pekee. Mambo ya usafi ni sisi wote.